Hey everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique again. I wanted to show you these cute little ornaments. I made these so many years ago. I used to make them and put them in these little boutique shops down in Georgia to sell. And so these are some that I kept, and I just wanted to show you. I made these out of old light bulbs. And I don't think I've ever shown these on my YouTube channel. If I have, it's been back when I first started YouTube. So I wanted to share these with you guys. If y'all want me to ever kind of do these on my channel to show y'all how to make these, comment down below. And actually, these are just some that, these are really old. I make these a lot better looking nowadays. These are just some that I had. These aren't the ones that I actually sell right here, because these were just made out of some little scraps of old stuff that I had laying around. So these aren't the best looking ones. So it's just like a scrap sock and all. But I make them a lot better looking than this. And anyway, this is a penguin, and let's see, I think I have an angel in here that I made. Yeah, this is an angel, and I try to make her wings out of lace. Messed up by being packed away. Tried to make a little face on her. I tried to use a scrap piece of lace for like a little dress and all. So trying to make it look like she had a crown on with some scrap, what do you call that stuff up there? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But it's all just little scrap stuff I had years ago, because I really didn't have any supplies on hand. I just had little pieces of this, little pieces of that. And so we were like restarting over. And I was trying to, and I had the bulbs, and I was trying to make some ornaments with the leftover painted bulbs I had. So, and here is a snowman. So I thought they're cute, even though they're just little scraps that I made. I think I had a few more. They're also not the best looking, because they were kind of damaged looking from getting wet in the basement. Some of them didn't even really make it. They got really damaged and messed up. So I think these are the only three that I have. I have a turkey too that I made for Thanksgiving. I believe that's up in my craft room. If you want to see that, you can comment down below, let me know, and I'll show you what the turkey looks like. Let's see, yeah, I believe that is it. Yep, that's it. All this is just store-bought stuff. So those are the three that I've got left. Mom's been wanting me to teach my niece how to make these little things. So the hardest part is painting these, because it took several coats of paint. I used to spray paint them white first to give them a good base coat, and now I'm wondering if instead of spray painting them, because I used to take them out before it got cold and just give them a couple of coats of white spray paint for like a base coat, and then paint them white in black, and or just white with, you know, whatever. This has a lot of like thick glitter, and I don't even remember what I'll put on this. It's been so long. Okay, nobody's out there. I know it's got gold and white glitter. It's got a lot of thick, chunky glitter I used on it. A lot of stuff I used on that. Can't remember everything because no telling what I had back then. Probably just plain glitter and glue because I didn't have anything fancy. And then there's just white thin glitter on that, silver glitter, and then of course that's just black and white paint. I thought they're cute. But I was thinking white gesso, coats of white gesso would probably work on these. I've been wanting to try that out. Haven't had a chance to really sit down and do that, and I'd like to sit down and see how white gesso would take to these instead of spray paint and then paint them, because I'm thinking white gesso would do just as good as the white spray paint. So because that's a thick, you know, white substance to put white paint, you know, paint on, any kind of paint. So yeah, I'm thinking that would work, probably be even better than the white paint. I'm gonna try that one day here as soon as I can get a chance, and see how that does. If y'all have ever done that or ever get a chance to do that, let me know how that works. So let me know what y'all think of my little ornaments. If y'all have ever made any, comment down below, let me know. And please share, please comment down below and let me know. And please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. And thank you for watching. Also, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll know when I'm doing other videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and have a blessed day and a Merry Christmas.